Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Incident Responses Policy Part 2 Lecture 21.3. Explain the significance of identifying the following areas. After a cyber attack has taken place, nature of attack intent region, systems and files that have been compromised. Identifying the following areas after a cyber attack is of utmost significance for several reasons. Nature of attack. Understanding the nature of the cyber attack provides crucial insights into how the breach occurred and the techniques used by the attackers. This knowledge helps organizations strengthen their defense mechanisms and implement appropriate measures to prevent similar attacks in the future. Different attack types require specific response strategies, so identifying the attack's nature is essential for an effective incident response. Intent. Determining the intent behind the cyber attack is essential to comprehend the attacker's motives. Whether the attack aimed to steal sensitive data, disrupt operations, cause financial harm, or harm the organization's reputation. Understanding the intent helps in prioritizing response effort and addressing the core issues that led to the attack. Origin. Identifying the origin of the attack involves understanding the source of the malicious activity, such as the location or group responsible for the attack. This information is crucial for attribution, taking legal actions, and possibly collaborating with law enforcement agencies or international partners to track down the attackers. Systems and files compromised. Identifying the systems and files compromised during the attack is essential to assess the extent of the breach and the potential damage caused. It helps organizations prioritize remediation efforts, restore affected systems, and take appropriate actions to prevent further spread or manipulation of compromised data. In summary, identifying the nature of the attack, the attacker's intent, the origin of the attack, and the compromised systems and files is crucial for an effective response to the cyber attack. It enables organizations to bolster their cybersecurity defenses, learn from the incident, and implement necessary improvements to reduce future risks and enhance their overall security posture. Fill in the table provided with various external entities that an organization might reach out to after a cyber attack, along with the reasons for contacting them. External agency and why may these be contacted. Legal representative SR's experts. Describe the reasons for the necessity of the following areas. After a cyber attack has occurred, protecting evidence and creating backups of evidence. Recovery of systems to win the compromise. Occurred. Compile and organize incident documentation. Prising documentation that will be used. 2. Prosecute offenders. Update policies and improve training. The necessity of the following areas after a cyber attack has occurred is as follows. Protecting evidence and creating backups of evidence. This is essential to preserve crucial evidence related to the cyber attack by safeguarding evidence. Organizations can conduct thorough investigations to identify the attack source, methods, and impact. Creating backups ensures that vital information is not lost during the investigation and can be used for legal or regulatory purposes if required. Recovery of systems to when the time of compromise is crucial for restoring normal operations and identifying the full extent of the attack. By doing so, organizations can understand how the attack unfolded and detect any hidden or persistent threats that may have been established during the breach. Compile and organize incident documentation. Comprehensive documentation of the incident is necessary for analysis, reporting, and future incident response improvement. Properly organized incident documentation helps in identifying patterns, understanding attack vectors, and sharing critical information with relevant stakeholders and authorities. Preserving documentation that will be used to prosecute offenders. To pursue legal action against the attackers, organizations need to preserve evidence that may be presented in court. This documentation helps law enforcement and legal representatives build a strong case against the offenders and seek justice. Update policies and improve training. After a cyber attack, it is essential to review existing security policies and procedures to identify any gaps or weaknesses that contributed to the breach by updating and strengthening security policies. Organizations can better protect against future attacks. Moreover, improving training and awareness programs for employees helps reduce the likelihood of human error leading to security incidents. In summary, the mentioned areas are crucial after a cyber attack as they aid in investigation, recovery, legal actions, and overall improvement of the organization's cybersecurity posture. They contribute to the organization's ability to respond effectively to future threats and reduce the impact of potential cyber incidents. Conduct research and elaborate on the importance of having a well-prepared incident response policy in place prior to encountering security threats. Having a well-prepared incident response policy in place before encountering security threats is of paramount importance for several key reasons. Rapid response and mitigation. A pre-established incident response policy ensures that the organization can respond promptly and effectively when a security incident occurs. Without a plan in place, valuable time may be lost trying to figure out the appropriate steps to take, allowing the threat to escalate and cause more significant damage. Minimizing impact. A well-designed policy helps in containing the incident and minimizing its impact on critical systems, sensitive data, and business operations. This containment prevents the spread of the threat and reduces the potential for further harm. Clarifying roles and responsibilities. An incident response policy clearly outlines the roles and responsibilities of the individuals involved in their response process. This clarity ensures a coordinated and efficient approach, avoiding confusion during the chaos of an incident. Compliance and legal requirements. Many industries have regulatory requirements that mandate organizations to have a formal incident response plan. A well-prepared policy helps the organization remain compliant with industry standards and legal obligations, potentially mitigating fines or penalties. Preserving evidence. An incident response policy includes guidelines for preserving evidence related to the incident. This evidence is essential for identifying the source and methods of the attack, enabling potential legal actions and strengthening organizations' cybersecurity defenses. Continuous improvement. A pre-planned policy facilitates post-incident analysis and lessons learned. This analysis helps in identifying areas for improvement in the organization's security posture and response capabilities, enabling it to enhance its overall cyber resilience. Cost savings. A well-prepared incident response policy can save the organization money in the long run by efficiently handling incidents and minimizing the impact. The organization reduces the financial burden of recovery, potential legal costs, and reputational damage. Proactive approach. A well-prepared policy is part of a proactive approach to cybersecurity. It reflects the organization's commitment to preventing and addressing security incidents, making it better equipped to handle emerging threats and stay ahead of potential cyber adversaries. Building trust. Clients, partners, and stakeholders place significant trust in organizations to protect their data and information. Having a robust incident response policy demonstrates the organization's dedication to safeguarding sensitive information, enhancing trust and credibility. In conclusion, having a well-prepared incident response policy is not just a best practice, but a critical necessity in today's cybersecurity landscape. It empowers organizations to respond effectively, minimize damage, meet legal requirements, and continuously improve their security posture. An incident response plan should be regularly tested, updated, and communicated across the organization to ensure everyone is aware of their roles and responsibilities during a security incident. Progress check.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.